It is marked on here. We're going to be looking at Microsoft Word, right? Or we can open a basic Microsoft Word document, and or we can actually format a Microsoft Word document. All right, we're going to be jumping on the computer, and we're going to guide you right through this particular area, right? And see how we can actually basically do that, right? So these are the instructions, right? First thing is to open a blank Microsoft Word document. It says save it as my work, right? And here we're going to type in equal RAND, close the bracket and all that, then press enter, right? And it's a type in the header the following words, all about computer, right? And here it said type in the footer today's date and write the word create by mark, right? So just cap all the first letter in all the paragraph, right? For number 7, so put a paragraph border around paragraph 3. Here, so add a watermark to the document, insert a photo, and put it in the middle of the paragraph so you see exactly what that works, right? So insert a page border to the document, right? The line, change line spacing to 1.5, right? Heading size 20, color blue. Insert a signature line to the page and save it, right? So we're going to go right down in the taskbar. Here, we have a document here, so we're going to click on it, right? So we're going to allow it. Now, if you notice, this is Office Signal, right? So here we have some templates here, different templates over here, right? If you notice here, there's a recent, these are some recent one that actually created before, but what we want to focus on is the blank template. All right, here you go, this blank template, right? So let us see exactly what's taking place, all right? Then it says save it as my work. So we're going to save it as my work now, right? So in order for me to save it as my work, what I want to do, come all the way here, the word file. When I click on the word file, notice it bring up a small window here in blue, but what we want to focus on is the word save as. So click on the word save as, come across the word computer. Some of you might not see the word computer, but you might see the word PC, but click on it just to see, right? And the word class and click on desktop. Okay, I want to say this definitely on the desktop, that you can retrieve it easily. So you come right up here, scroll bar, you click right here on the desktop. So right here, here's the file name, we're going to type my work, right? When you type the word my work, what you wanted to do, you're going to come right here, right? Where it says save, we're going to click that, right? Good. If you notice right up here in the toolbar, you notice my work, right? Actually save, right? So let's see what next, right? Now we do those. We're at number 3 now. We say type out equal RAND and then 6. All right, we show best what will take place. All right, we're going to type the equal RAND. We're going to put the bracket. All right, so we're going to put 6. We're going to put the comma. We're going to put 6 again, and then we're going to put the bracket, right? This is a code, right? So the 6 and 6 here will determine the amount of paragraph. If I press enter, this is what happens. Notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here, 6 paragraphs. So that's exactly what really takes place here, right? So far, so it's coming out nicely so far, right? The next thing is to type in the header all about computer, right? How we're going to do that? And the first thing we want to come here, up here, all of these are tab. So we want to click right here on this insert tab. When you click on insert tab, right, we're going to go right to the header. If you notice, right under the header and footer, this is the word header. I want to click right here, look a pointer, right here. So while I click on it, I'm waiting on it to process. All right, you notice there are different header, but I'm going to click on this person right here. Right, so what I want to type, if I click this, you have to go backspace. But when you see highlight, just type. So I'm going to type all about computer. Right. Notice I have all about computer right here. All right, so let me that, and then I can increase the font size. All right, like that. Can give it a color, just like that. Yes, I can actually bold it if I want to bold it, just like that. But if I wanted to center, I can actually center it. I can come right here to home. When I click right here to home, right on the paragraph, I can click this here center. Notice it's actually center. Right? So now I'm finished. I want to close the header. I come right here to design. Let me see it here. Notice it says close header footer. So I click right there, right? And let me go applicable to make it see exactly. All right. This is what it could look like. All right. So let me see what next. All right. Coming on nicely. So type in the footer today's date and created by Mark. All right. So let's just go. All right. So I'm going to click right here at the insert tab. Going to come all the way back here in the header footer. I'm going to click right in the footer. All right. I want to click on the first one. All right. So what I wanted to type, right, is today's date. All right. So today's date 20 here. So we have in the second month of what? So 2021. Right, I'm going to press the enter. And I'm actually going to type created by. So now we have this now. We want to close this. We can either come here or we can come right out here and double click like that and close it just the same. Right, if you notice we have it right here. Right, wonderful. So we're going to see what we have next. Right, the next thing is a job cap all the first letter in all the paragraph. Right, let us see that now. We're going to do that. Right, let us scroll up the top. The first thing you want to do is to block the first letter of each of the first letter in the paragraph. So if it's B here, I'm going to click on block this. As soon as I block it, I'm going to click on insert tab. Then click on insert tab, I'm going to come right all the way to your text. And text, alright, when it's right here, say job cap. When I click right and little pointer, alright, you notice here we say in margin, job cap, right? I want to click on red job. Alright, let me go back over again because the I black and I don't want the I to black. I only want the V. So let me correct that. Good. Click on insert again. Come all the way here. Your job. I'm going to click. Alright, you notice. Wonderful to have that. You're going to do the same thing for this one. I want to black T again. I'm going to go to insert. Right, so I want to click this. Like that. Sometimes in book you see these people they wonder how they do it. Well, here's the opportunity that they can understand how they do it. Right. So clicking on all of them so far. Alright, so let's take a time. Right, so you take a time, you actually understand, right, how it works. Let me take time, scroll on this now. Alright, and see after that to leave. Alright, so let me take my time, go back to the tab, insert tab, right, and in the ribbon, I'm going to look for job cap, just like that. Right, for the last one, now I'm going to do the same thing likewise. Right, but I don't want to block the high. Right, but I want to block only the V. Right, and I'm going to do the same thing. Right, and this is the last one so far. Right, so we have this one. Good. So now we have all of that now. Right, let us go up to the top and see exactly. Look, nice. So document coming on finally. Let us see what exactly is here again now. Right, it says put a paragraph border on paragraph 3. All right, let me see how that works out. Right, so this is paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. But in order for us to do it, you have to block the paragraph like that. Right, block the one entire paragraph. Right, let me try and get it properly. Just like that. Right, so when I block it, the first thing I want to come right here, the home tab, click on the home tab. Right, if you want to click on the home tab, I'm going to come right under the paragraph. Right, if you see this little thing look like a window here, click right on the little pointer here. You're going to come down here, you can click either all border or outside border. Right, let me shift back this a little because I don't want this to block a second border. Alright, let me do that over. Alright, let me try this way that it don't conflict with the next one. Alright, nice. Alright, let us click on home. Let's go back. Alright, so we can click on outside border here. Right, or we can click on all border. Alright, so we click on that. Now there we go. Alright, so this is what they call a paragraph border. And bear in mind, a paragraph border is different from a page border. Right, so that's a person did not it to mix up, but this is different. Alright, so let's see what next. Alright, add a watermark to the document, right? So we're going to add that watermark to the document. The first thing you wanted to do, right? You want to click on the word design. When you click on design, you're going to come all the way to your far right where it says page background. So this is watermark. So you're going to click right on the little pointer. Right? If you notice all these is a confidential and all that, but I want to add a custom watermark which is this. When I click on the custom watermark, you're going to bring up a little box. Show up here shortly. And as soon as I show up, I will show you exactly what to do, right? If you notice a no watermark, you notice the picture watermark, right? So I'm going to click in this little round box here. Right, you notice it's a text, font, size, color, layout. Alright, just ask up. I'm going to click and get rid of that. I'm going to type something right now. So I'm going to just type something random. Neat. And then when I type that, then you will see exactly all the watermark. Now finish with that now. So the font, I want to come right here. I'm going to scroll down. Right, give it a font. Now the size, I'm going to come right here. Alright, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to put it at least 90. Alright, and then I want to come to color. I want to give it a color. Alright, so I'm going to put this color. You notice I have apply, okay, and cancel. I want to click on apply. When I click on apply, alright, here you go. Notice it show here on the paper so far. Yes, but I want to decrease the size some more. That's it now. Cut off right here. So let me go right back to the size it. Right. Let me put it at 80. And then I click apply. Alright, you notice it actually come back in. Alright, good, wonderful. So now you finish with that. Now you want to close it. Alright, and notice this is it in the background right here. Alright, let me see what next. Alright, next is to insert a photo and put it in the middle of the paragraph. Alright, let me do that. In order for me to insert a photo, I want to come right here to the insert tab. When I click the insert tab, I kind of go online or go on the PC. Right, so I'm going to go online instead. Right, when I go online, click it, bring up this particular box here. I say, right, this is my OneDrive, which I can actually go for photo, or I can go to Blink search, right? Here, right, so I'm going to type in a picture of a monkey. Right. Then as soon as it comes up, I will try to see exactly how it fits within the words, right? It's very unique, very unique. All right, now the picture come up, so you can actually scroll down like this, take time, scroll down. Right, I'm searching for a specific one. Right, that's actually fit on my stuff. Right, so scroll down, take time scrolling down. Right, opportunity to view and all of that. Right, I'm going to just scroll down just a little bit more. Right, and then you're going to select this one. As soon as I click on it, you notice the red insert come right. So I'm going to click on that. Right, sooner or later, showing that it after loading. Right, notice the company page, notice the cover everything. Don't get shaky. All right, I'm going to show you what to do. Right, you can right click on the photo and you can see this window come up. This is wrap text. You can go across, you can use any one of these or not. You can come right up here, say format here, up here. Notice this is the word wrap text. You can actually be, but when you click on wrap text, what you want to click on is the word type. That's the one actually going to fit it in. Right, now you do that. Now what you wanted to do is come right at the four corners. You notice four corners in so far. Right, so put the cursor right here. Notice come on, look arrow. So we're going to size down the photo just like that. Alright, we're going to size down the photo. Alright, so notice the photo size down. The notice is that to fit quite nice within the words. Alright, nice. Alright, so if I come right here to format, right, I can actually notice all of these can actually use as border. When I click right at the little pointer, look at the picture carefully. Notice if I put it right there, change. If I put it right there, change to different areas. You can actually change it to that particular area there. Alright, you can turn it to this one, you can turn it to that. Alright, taking shape nicely. And you can actually put a photo here, can actually go and look at that one. All right, we're going to look at this particular one. All right, you notice all the picture position so far. All right, let me zoom it in a little. All right, notice all the picture right in the middle. All right, sometimes some book I see some picture in the middle one. I wouldn't get it right. This is exactly how it's done. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to insert page bottom to document, right? So what we want to do is insert a page document bottom. Right, so we're going to click right here to the word design. We're going to go to a far right to the word page background, right? So this is the word page bottom. We're going to click on it. Now we bring up this little window right here. Right, so here is the display section. If I come right here and I click, you notice it show a border around here, right? But if I want pretty border, I can come right here, so add, where's a none? I click right here, right? And I can actually come down. And if I choose a border, you notice it pretty right here. If I don't want that one, I can actually come like this. I can scroll down, right? And if I click on this one, if I don't like it, I can actually go back for the next one, right? The time scroll, the one that you want, all right? I want this one. All right, I'm going to click OK. All right, you notice my border around here so far. Scroll up, you notice how my border look. All right, but if you notice, you cannot see the heading up here. So what I want to do, I'm going to decrease this. All right, so I'm going to come back here. All right, I'm going to click on the border. All right, now it up here. The one thing I wanted to do now is just come right here. Notice it say 31. All right, I'm going to come here. All right, I'm going to decrease it. All right, so notice, take a look at this here. Notice, take the time coming down. All right, so I'm going to decrease it some more. All right, you notice that 7. All right, when I click on OK now, you notice it come nice. You notice up here. All right, very important. So if you put in a bar, then you have problem, just do the same thing. Likewise, right? So the next thing you want to do now is to change the line spacing to 1.5, right? So let me see what can be done, right? The first thing was to click on home, right? When you click on home, come right on a paragraph. I want to change line spacing, right? So who want to change line spacing of this one here? Right, not the one with the paragraph, right? So I'm going to try this one. So I'm going to plot this one instead, right? And let's give an example of it, right? So I click on the word home right here. This is your piece, the line piece. When I click right here, it's 1.5, right? And this is 1.5, right? And that's how you actually change it, right? You notice right on a paragraph, you come right here, so that's it. That's why you actually so you can click here to unblock it, right? So let me see what we have next. All right, you notice it said the heading size is 20. All right, and the color is blue. All right, so let me go back up to that. All right, this is the heading. All right, so let me put the cursor point and double click. All right, let's bracket. Okay, so the size is 20. All right, let me click here on home, and this is 18. All right, let me put it right here at 20. All right, and let me see the color is blue. I already have blue. All right, so let me make it see right here. Come back right here. I'm going to close that just like that. Good. So the next thing on the agenda is insert a signature line to the page, right? So we're going to insert a signature line now. First thing you wanted to do is come to insert. When you come to insert, you come all the way over to here where it says text. So you have signature line right here. You're going to click on the little pointer, right? You notice the Microsoft Office signature as a signature service. I want to click on this one, it's a Microsoft signature. When I click it, you notice it brings up this little box now, right? So this is every time you can close it. Okay, cancel right here. I'm going to put like my name now, right? So my name there, right? Just like that. And I put my name there, right here. I want to put the title here. I can see exactly. Here I can put the email, but I can go come to bypass that one for now. And I'm going to click on OK. But if you notice, you jump at the middle of the page. I don't want it, I want it at the bottom of the page. So what I'm going to do, click on it. Notice as soon as I click on it, you notice the picture tool come up. So I click right here on the picture tool. What I want now is the word position. You notice the word position and the arrange right here. Notice if I put the cursor upon it, you notice you can put the cursor upon it, notice it keep on shifting, keep on shifting, keep on shifting. But what I want is with this one here, put at the left side of the document. Alright, so we're going to click on that one. Alright, and notice you don't see it up here. So again, so let me scroll down and see it, right? Alright, if you notice, it's right here. Alright, wonderful. It's right here. Alright, so it's right there. So let me see what next is on it. So save it. Alright, so we're going to save it now. Just come right here, just click on it, and just save it. Right? That's exactly how it goes. Alright. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Right? So you can like it, subscribe to it, and thanks for watching. Right?